daddy left you when you were young, but that don't mean that you're to blame. Strange to think you believed in miracles before, but you ain't dreaming of them anymore. I know it's hard to smile cause your heart is sore, but that don't mean that I'm to blame. You have a life full of fears and broken ends, voice in your head, they're your only friends. A life full of needles and scattered fag ends, and you wasted your life chasing dragons. Not chasing dragons, you were wrong, long as you held on tight like the dragon's throng. It's just cause you're living life on a smoking bomb, but that don't mean that we're to blame. You have a broken mind, a heart like stone, with voices in your head that won't leave you alone. So you take a drawer and you feel you live, you take it all but have nothing to give. You have a life full of pills and broken ends, voices in your head, they're your only friends. A life full of needles and scattered fag ends, and you wasted your life chasing you have a life full of fears and
Yeah, it does, huh? Yeah. Right, John, I'll see you. Are you going to Brailsford? 2 weeks today. 2 weeks today.